Time now for everybody's favorite segment of the program, a visit by my wife, Jean Edelman. Jean, a student of the healing arts, Reiki, traditional Chinese medicine, homeopathy, acupuncture, and of course, macrobiotic and plant-based cooking. Here's Jean.
Hello, good to be with you. Today I wanted to talk about prayer. Prayer keeps us still. Prayer keeps us quiet and in the moment. And prayer keeps us connected to our higher power. Prayer helps us feel connected to others, and we can help others when we pray for them. Prayers can be silly, like, I wish to win the lottery, or I pray that my niece passes her exam. Everyone prays, and it's an equalizer. We pray for a better life. We pray for our children to do well and be safe. We pray for our parents to be healthy. We pray for our siblings. We pray for our friends. And so it's very simple. My word for the week is prayer. P is for the power of our words and our intentions, allowing the miracles to happen all around us. R is for ready. Prayer keeps us open-minded and ready for whatever can be. A is for affirm. When we affirm our beliefs, we stand strong in who we are. And Y is for yes. Yes, we can believe in all things. Prayer doesn't have to be fancy. It can be a quick sentence as we walk into a meeting. It can be a fleeting thought as we go through our workday. It can be our last thought at night before we go to sleep and our first thoughts in the morning. And thank you is a prayer. Have a great day.